Do you have a rather active Facebook group and you're trying to figure out how to manage it? You've worked your butt off to grow it, and now that it's busy and your business is growing, you're finding it hard to keep up. I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best things you can do, and that is to schedule your post. If you're not scheduling posts, then that means each and every day you need to go in there and manually write it out, put it on there at exact times. That can get overwhelming. The phone's ringing, the kids are screaming, something's come up. You're actually handling business and you just forget. Well, that means your group suffers. If they're expecting you to have certain posts on certain days and they're not there, pretty soon you could lose some interest. Now, I'm going to give you a warning right now. Scheduling posts does not mean you go in on Sunday night and you schedule posts for the week and you don't go back in there. Nope, 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 nope. Doesn't work that way, folks. That'll lose you a group quick. What it does do is allow you to have your post at 2 p.m. every day or whatever time it is. And then later in the evening or early morning or whenever is more convenient, you can go in and reply to comments, talk to other people on their post, and do those things. This is just to keep you regular. And that consistency is what's needed. So we're going to go over to Facebook. I'm going to show you how to schedule these posts. And trust me when I say it will, if you can learn to plan ahead and learn that every week on Sunday evening, you're going to schedule these posts, or if you normally do a Facebook Live on Tuesdays, then maybe Tuesdays at 2 o'clock, then maybe Tuesday at 10 a.m., you want to put out a reminder in your group, hey, I'm going live at 2 o'clock. Be sure to be on the page, whatever. So there's a variety of things you can do with these. You can post just like you always do, but we're going to schedule them so that they're there. So let's head on over to Facebook. Okay, here we are in a Facebook group that I also help moderate and manage. To be able to schedule a post, you need to be a moderator, an admin, a manager of some sort. So what I'm going to do is if I have a post I would like to schedule, if you're in the group, you can come down and go ahead and type out your post, add your photo, video, do whatever you're going to do for your post. Then you come down here and you see this little clock right next to the post button. When you click schedule post, it's going to bring it up. You can click a day, and of course you can click a time that you would like to post it, and then click schedule. That will put your post out on that day, at that time, whether you're online or not. So that is one way to do it. And that's if you're making an original post of your own. Now, here comes in one issue. If I find a post on another page that I would like to share into the group and schedule, I've changed the post over to show my personal avatar because a lot of groups you can't post as a page. You need to have your personal profile. So I've switched that over by just clicking here and picking my personal name. Now, when I go to click share, I can come down here and click share in a group and it will bring it up. I'll type in my group name. But as you can see, no matter what I do, there is no schedule button. So I can't schedule this. It will post it immediately, and I may not want that. So here's a way to get around that. We'll close that out. Now, if this is the post I'd like to share into the group, I'm going to come up here, and each post has a time posted, time and date. I'll click it. Now, let me stop this. Now, what I'm going to do is come up in here in the address bar, and I am going to copy the link to this particular post. This link is to this post. Sometimes you get all this garbage. You don't need it. You just need through the numbers for the video post or the image post, whatever it is. Now I'm going to go back over to the group. I'm going to go ahead and paste in that link. And of course, I can write out my text as usual to explaining why I'm posting it. Now, when I come down, I now have the scheduled post. So while you can't share directly from one post into the group and schedule it, the way to get around that is to get that post link. Just remember that if you're on a page and you try to do this, you have to go up here to the time and click on it. Every post has this no matter what. So that's what you click to get to that particular post. You can go in, schedule as many posts as you want. And when you have scheduled posts, you'll get a little notification at the top of the group saying you have X amount of posts scheduled that you can click and go look at. So if there's more than one of you scheduling posts, you might want to go in and check that to make sure that you're not scheduling your posts at the same time other managers have theirs scheduled. Okay, now you see how easy this can be, and it's going to save you a lot of time. If you have not watched my video on how to schedule posts to your Facebook page, I suggest you go check that out too, because learning to do these things in bulk, get them scheduled, frees you up a bit and will take some stress off while you're still growing your groups and your pages. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. I'm going to have more tips coming your way soon.